Trying to capture the spirit of my work in pictures has always been a challenge for me. Partly because I'm not a very good photographer, also because light plays such a pivotal role in bringing out details, depth, and movement that can only really be seen looking deeply into the piece. As the light changes throughout the day, angles, intensity, direction, source, the work also changes in character, complexion, and tone. I plan for this with each piece I create. Building up the resin layer by layer with varied applications of color work creates a sense of depth while also picking up variations in light to create movement. Sanding the wood from 80 up to 3000 grit reveals the natural beauty, intricate grain patterns, wonderful idiosyncrasies, and organic lines. The allure and luster of the wood come alive with the shifting of light. These pieces have a life, spirit, soul that can only really be seen when looking deeply into it. I've often watched people walk by and do a double, triple take before being lured in for a closer look, mesmerized, if but for a moment. And this is the heart and soul of my work, the hopeful goal of my work, to inspire whoever desires to look deeper at ourselves, at each other, at the world we live in and the world we live on, at balance, connection, and interdependence between all these things. Look deeper.